Your FAA Part 107 license so you can legally fly drones in the U.S. for hire? Do you want to gain the most critical and relevant knowledge in the shortest amount of time? Then you've come to the right place. My name is Britton Spader and I'm a CFI and Part 107 instructor. In my experience training students, many of them are not interested in learning every single hair-splitting item that may or may not be on the test. That's why I designed this course. My goal for you is to save you time, money, and headaches by providing you with the most relevant information that you need, not only to pass your 107 test, but to also help you operate in the real world legally, safely, and confidently. This course is broken down into three main parts: the intro, the lectures, and the final. The intro will show you step by step exactly what you need to do in order to get your certificate. The lectures will be short, sweet, to the point, and also contain lots of quizzes to help you retain the information that we cover. Last, I provide you with a realistic 60-question final exam that has explanations as to whether or not the answer you chose was right or wrong and the reason why. As an added bonus, I created a video tutorial that shows you exactly how to request airspace authorizations. This will be very handy, especially if you live in an urban environment next to a lot of controlled or complex airspace. I appreciate the opportunity to help prepare you for your 107 test. Now let's get started.